Hi everybody, thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to present part of our results. The title of our result is Evaluation of Dietary Beta-Agonist on Production Performance and Carcass of Beef Cattle, a meta-analysis, presented by us, Ridla, Lakoni, Ahrawi, and myself, Jayanegara, from IPB University in Bogor. In beef cattle production, balanced diet is really required to achieve an optimum beef cattle production. It is particularly with the term of balance between energy, balance between protein, vitamins, and minerals. In order to more optimize the beef cattle production, normally we use feed supplements and feed additives. This can be either nutrients or non-nutrients. There are a number of feed additives, feed supplements that can be given to animals, and within this particular presentation, we are interested to evaluate the potency of beta-agonist, a class of feed additive, non-hormonal feed additive, as a feed additive for beef cattle, and we are not sure whether this is working properly or not. Therefore, within this our presentation, the objective of this study is to evaluate the use of beta-agonists on beef cattle by integrating data from previous studies. We developed a database from literature in which we collected 42 articles and we chose them based on the title, based on the beta-agonist experiment, and also based on the parameters integrated. We are interested particularly on beef cattle production performance and carcass characteristics. After obtaining the data, after developing a database, we performed a statistical meta-analysis with mixed model methodology according to Saufan et al. 2008. We use fixed effect to compare between control and beta-agonist addition into diet of beef cattle, and we consider different studies as random effect. Parameters integrated focus on performance and carcass of beef cattle, in which we integrated feed intake, weight gain, gain to feed ratio, carcass percentage or dressing percentage, fat thickness, longissimus muscle area, marbling, and surface of the meat. Results showed that the final body weight after addition of beta-agonists like ractopamine and gilpaterol, the final body weight increased significantly as compared to control, as compared to the diet without addition of beta-agonists. But then, beta-agonists had no significant effect on diameter intake. It means that the control and beta-agonist treatments had similar diameter intake between the both groups. With regard to average daily gain, the daily gain, addition of beta-agonists increased significantly the average daily gain as compared to control. One of the most important aspects in beef cattle production is the ratio between gain to feed. How much the average daily gain obtained as compared to the feed intake. Addition of beta-agonists could improve significantly the gain to feed ratio as compared to control. This clearly demonstrates to us that beta-agonist has an effect to enhance the muscle fiber formation in the cell of beef cattle, and simultaneously it reduces the fat synthesis, the lipid synthesis in the tissue. This causes more lean and less fat, typical of carcass of beef cattle. And then this is confirmed. We could see that the addition of beta-agonists increased the hot carcass weight of the beef cattle and also increased the dressing percentage or carcass percentage as compared to control. Beta-agonists had no effect on fat thickness. We are aware that fat thickness itself is not a comprehensive parameter to measure the number or the amount of fat within the body of animal, and we have to be cautious to interpret this fat thickness. And we could see that addition of beta-agonists decreased the marbling score and increased the shear force of the meat of the beef cattle, but had no effect on pH. In this figure, it demonstrated the effect of two treatments on longissimus muscle area in the beef cattle. In the beef of cattle, we could see that addition of beta-agonists increased dramatically the longissimus muscle area as compared to control. In conclusion, beta-agonist favorably affects production performance and carcass of beef cattle. Beta-agonist enhances weight gain and feed efficiency without any negative effect on the feed intake, and beta-agonist increases muscle proportion and reduces fat in the carcass simultaneously. By this, I would like to thank you very much for your attention, and I'd like to end this presentation. Again, thank you very much.